Hey there, Chad here with a quick tip on how you can customize the amount of pixels moved when nudging. By default, using your arrow keys will nudge in 1 pixel increments, while holding down the Shift key and using the arrow keys will nudge in 10 pixel increments. Now, let's say that you are working with an 8-point grid. Maybe you nudge in a 10 pixel increment and then you nudge a couple more pixels. But find that it would be much more convenient if you could nudge in 8 pixel increments. To customize this, you can go into your Preferences menu and select Nudge Amount at the bottom. Here, if we change our big nudge to 8, now whenever holding down the Shift key and using the arrow keys, we'll nudge in 8 pixel increments, while the arrow keys on their own will still nudge in 1 pixel increments. Hope that this tip helps you out, and I'll see you next time.